In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on the Amazon app. So to do this, you first need to head over to the app on your phone and then click on your profile icon in the bottom navigation. Now, right at the top, you'll see a country flag. So in order to change your country, just click on this flag like so. And then once you've clicked on this flag, you'll have the option to change both your country and the region. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change from the UK over to the US. I can click on country and then scroll all the way down and click on United States. You could also change the language as well, but I'm going to keep it in English, and the currency would automatically change depending on the region, so you don't have to worry about adjusting this manually. Once you're finished, click on Done, and as you can see, that's now taken us over to the US version of Amazon. Just remember that if you want to change your address as well, then you need to click on the Change Address button, and that's it guys, that's how you change your country or region on the Amazon app. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.